Hi guys, and welcome to the Fnsoko Savings Goal Tracker, which helps you to track your short-term, medium-term, and long-term goals. So the first page is the Start Here page, which will give you an idea or a guide on how to use this tracker. Now we're going to do this practically. So let's go to our short-term goals. And let's say my short-term goal, maybe within this next year, is to buy a phone. So buy new phone. Now, how much is this phone? The goal is to save probably, let's say, 120,000. When do I expect to buy this phone? Let's say I'm giving myself 9 months to get this new phone. So I'll put 12 September 2026. Once you fill all this, it is able to calculate now from today, from the day you buy this tracker to that target date, how many months are left. So as I am doing this recording, it's 27th of December 2025. So from today, 27th December to 12th September 2026, I have around 8 months. Now what it's telling me, from today, I will need to save 15,000 on a monthly basis. So all you'll need to be coming to do is come here. Let's say today is 27th, 12, 2026. I mean 2025, sorry. And I'll put my 15,000. So because this calculates on a monthly basis, the next, maybe if you come here on 27th January 2026, it will automatically go back to required monthly savings of 15,000. But if you continue saving within the month, if you have maybe excess money and you put it, maybe tomorrow I save 2025, I save another maybe 3,000. It's going to keep reducing your required monthly savings. But ideally, if you're saving once every month, it will give you how much you're supposed to save on a monthly basis. But again, if you save more within that month, it will reduce your required monthly savings. So you're able to put your short-term goals, medium-term goals, which are 1 to 5 years. For example, maybe I want to buy a car, maybe I want to mortgage an apartment or something. You can put that. Long-term goals, for example, my retirement fund. These are the things that you can now put. Or maybe if you have a planned family, these are things that you can put in your long-term goal. For example, education.